Prairie Village, wood rot, and house painting. Prairie Village, wood rot, siding wood rot. You can see all the way through into the garage. What we're going to do is reframe, restructure, rebuild this wall, put new shingles, and paint. American Roofing Renovations, 913-706-8710. Wall rebuilt. Cedar shake shingles for the siding. Primed first coat all the way across. American Roofing Renovations, 913-706-8710. Prairie Village, wood rot, house painting. Finished product, house painting, Prairie Village, Kansas. Wood rot repair, patio remodel. American Roofing and Renovations, 913-706-8710. Give us a call for all your painting, wood rot repair needs.